All right, like the other one suggested with parallelism, we have to have the same slopes and different intercepts. So that's because with parallel, you're never touching, right? So what's the deal with perpendicular? What's going on when they're perpendicular? So let's talk about that. So here's the symbol. Okay? This implies to be perpendicular. Okay? Okay, so something's perpendicular, we use this symbol. Okay? Now, to be perpendicular, y sub 1 equals m sub 1, x sub 1 plus b sub 1 is perpendicular to y sub 2 equals m sub 2, x sub 2 plus b sub 2, if and only if m sub 1 is equal to the negative of 1 over m sub 2. Okay? What does that mean? So now we're going to put it in those words that I understand. Right? So, with the real terms for it, what does it mean? It means two lines are perpendicular. If the two slopes are opposite meaning one's positive, one's negative, one negative, one positive, right? They're opposite and they are inverted. One's on top, one's on bottom. Okay? Opposite inverses of each other. Okay? So, two lines are perpendicular if the two slopes are opposite inverses of each other. What does that mean? So, again, we'll come back and we'll say, okay, y equals 1/2 x plus 3. And y equals negative 2x plus 3. Now, did we say anything about the b's being the same or different? No. Doesn't matter, right? What matters is that if this one's positive, this one has to be negative. And think about this one for a second. This is really over 1, right? So therefore, these are perpendicular. Okay? One is going positive, and one is going negative. Okay? But not just positive and negative like that. Let's graph them, and let's see. Okay? So, I'm going to make this one blue.
When you say when one is positive and one is negative, what one are you talking about? The line?
Well, yeah, the line, yeah. Yeah, because this is a positive slope, right?
Oh, slopes.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm talking about the slopes. So this is a positive slope, so it goes up from left to right. Right? And this one, the green one, alright, this is a negative slope, so it goes down from left to right. Okay? Well, let's just see exactly how they go. Okay? So, blah 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 v, blah 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 blue. We're going to start with y equals mx plus b. Right? My b is 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And so I go up 1 and right 2. Up 1 and right 2. So I got this positive slope line, right? Okay, now let's do the other one. My b, y equals mx plus b. My b is 3. And in this case, I go down 2, 1, 2, and I go right 1. So in this case, and so what happens when things are perpendicular is they always create
What did you
a...
do there on the second y? So you do your b first. Your b was 3.
b equals 3,
Yep.
and m equals -2, or 2 over 1.
Okay, so you go from the intercept.
So we go down, and then right.
So your b's going over to the right, right?
No, b is 3. It's still right here. The b's were the same in both of these.
Okay, my bad, my bad. And then down 2 over 1.
Yeah.
Down 2.
Okay? Cool? That's perpendicular. That little simple.